because I accidentally clicked the off button. Okay, here is the things I need from the bathroom. Yes, we're gonna close that. Okay, turn off the light. Couch, yeah. And then there's the messy room, of course. That's not mine, totally, right? Okay, we're back. Oh, the messy desk. It just fell. So this could be right here. I'll say that's a good spot. It doesn't fit. Should I like turn it side? Ow. I just failed. It doesn't go sideways because it's too long, so I'm just gonna put it in the drawer. Yeah. And part 4 will probably be of me doing all this stuff, but it will be later. Yeah. So, and I'll probably be doing it with my mom. So, cause why not? This is also too little. This is really nice. Oh my gosh, I almost showed the logo. This is really nice to have, especially cold, but it doesn't fit. I feel like I used to like actually be able to fit all this, but it doesn't fit anymore. Or like I used to have a skincare fridge, and I don't know if I had other stuff in there that I don't have anymore, but it's still like I don't have anything around here. And there's my brother. Okay. He just closed my door. Oh my god, it's mine. Ow! I was just smacked on the head. Yes, if you have siblings, you can relate. And there's this. Ooh, actually, I got some new lotion right here. Yeah. I'm opening it without showing you the logo, so you're just gonna look at my book. Like, it's right there. Yeah. Where did the other one go? Must be in my bag. Hold on. Found them. Okay, so now we can't put these in here, so we're just gonna like move these. Okay, we have only a few minutes. Well, I mean seconds. So, this is going to have to go to part 4, and then part 5 might be with my mom. Nobody knows, but this is just me putting the lotion in because why not? Yeah, so we only have 20 seconds left, so that's my lotion and all that. I'm pretty sure this is almost done, but you'll have to see in part 4. Bye. Actually, we have 5 seconds left, so bye. Yes. Or more 9s. So yeah. This is up there. Ow. That was my knee. Oh, it actually... Why did it stop last time? It stopped last time at like 4 minutes, but it was like 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Yeah, I think that's honestly it.